guys, I'm all by myself today and I'm all forever alone.
No, you're not.
Just kidding, she's there. Gotcha! And we're also...
Hey guys, it's me, Chloe. And today we're going to be showing you our butter slime we made.
Yeah.
We are so excited that we made this butter slime.
Yeah. And that it is our first time making DIY slime.
Yeah. And we were going to post a video, but sad thing, there was no storage.
Yeah. So, by the way, and my phone has storage right now.
Yeah, this is our butter slime. We were going to add yellow. Maybe pink will work.
Wait.
Yellow. Where is it?
I have food coloring.
Yes, yellow. Do you have yellow?
I have food coloring right here.
I know, but you have yellow. Is that yellow food coloring?
Or red.
I want to make yellow food. Sorry, guys.
You know that the cat feels like Play-Doh? You know the slime cat feels like Play-Doh.
Yeah, where's your paint stuff? Oh, yeah. Excuse me. Sorry about that. Ah! I burped. So I'm going to be using this
Can I put this food coloring
coffee
onto
paint.
it?
Yeah. Okay, for color. If I think it'll work. But if it doesn't, I'm so sorry.
It's kind of turning.
I don't think mine's going to turn because I think I didn't put enough in yet.
I don't think mine's gonna ever turn color.
I think you need more of that side. We need some, like, you guys can face me. He's doing something else right now. And we have, like, these bags for, like, butter slime. It's not really butter slime, but, like, yeah. Oh, well. Ain't no one cares. Yeah, I need better yellow. Whoa, you put a lot in there. Oh, he just did the dab of blushing. Well, sneezing.
Excuse me. Excuse me, okay?
Oh, that's a little bit too much. So I'm right here, and I just put like some puffy paint in my
No.
butter slime, so like it can make it yellow because that's what.
And the lighting's pretty bad. Look,
I'm really sorry if like.
the lighting's bad. Like people
No,
see
like sorry if you don't see our faces.
Yeah. And by the way,
One on the table, that's really bad. It's a really bad table.
it kind of feels like we're playing with Play-Doh right now.
Yeah, but it's actually butter slime.
Yeah. That kind of do you know Sky does Minecraft?
And no, how we made this was we were gonna vlog it, but we forgot, right?
Yeah.
What we used was we did not use glue for this. What we did was we put a shampoo,
Yeah. And also
toothpaste. Oh shoot! And shampoo, toothpaste, and cornstarch. But you need to add lots of cornstarch.
is it a little bit pink right now?
No,
Is it a little bit pink right now?
really pink.
I don't think colorblind people can see the pink, right? I don't think the colorblind people can actually see the pink.
And this is actually
Also, mine is
Also slime.
it's getting a little bit pink right now.
mine isn't working. I need more yellow.
Do you think colorblind people can see the pink or not? The colorblind people can see the pink or not?
Maybe.
Yeah. Do you know that some colorblind people can't even see any colors at all? But it's rare, but.
I added a lot. And it's like really sticky, so I bet you should add a lot of like cornstarch.
I'll be back.
We use like a lot of cornstarch. And like, sorry if you hear any noise. It's turning yellow, I think. And this is really easy to make, but it's really messy. And we had to like do a lot of things to clean this up. What time is it? Okay. It's so fun. And yeah, super fun.
Hey guys, I'm back. And where's the butter knife?
Oh, it's right there.
Oh. So let's share the
That's
butter.
your bag.
Yeah. And also,
Hey.
sorry.
Sorry, we made a different slime.
We had a different. Here it is, and I'm gonna cut it.
So sad.
I can't believe I'm cutting slime. Slime. That happens, like literally. That just happened. That just happened, right? So I divided these, and I'm gonna just cook now. So now, I feel like we're chefs.
I could tell you now. Tell you now.
I feel like we're chefs right now.
What does yellow and red make?
Orange.
I wish we could trade slimes. You know why?
Why?
Because mine's like really sticky. I don't know why.
I'm sorry I can't. I'm sorry we can't. I'm really, really sorry. I'm very sorry, Chloe.
It's okay.
It's a little, look at this. Is it, can you see the pink in there?
Yeah, of course. Can you?
Yeah. I'm going to see, because some people at my school are colorblind, I'm going to see if they can see the pink or not.
They're colorblind. Aren't they like young?
Yeah.
Oh, wow.
Some people are actually colorblind.
Of course.
Even I'm colorblind sometimes. Like,
You're already colorblind. You can't be sometimes.
I'm colorblind, like literally. Like I can see like sometimes like I can see this doesn't happen very often, but like the dark, I think the light red is like green and the light green is like red. So that's my colorblindness.
I don't have any colorblind.
Yeah.
I just don't get my colors right. That's why people think I'm colorblind.
Yeah.
I just don't know my colors. I do know my colors, but not all of them, like pearl pink.
Not like sky blue, right?
No, not that. That's color.
Like the normal colors, right?
Now it's like getting really unsticky, which is good. Actually, it's getting more sticky. What does pink? What does red and yellow make?
Orange, I just told you.
Really?
Yeah.
Okay. Can I have some foot dye? Aww. Pick it up.
Okay. I'm sorry about the quality.
Where's the Q-tip thingy?
Like, okay, I did the what?
Where's the Q-tip thingy?
Oh. Okay, you just dip your slime in like that. Like just dip your slime.
I don't want it.
Like, dip your slime in here. Just dip it. And then mix it. Like, do that.
I found it.
I don't think that thing works anymore. Cutting it into pieces. I'm cutting it into pieces. Okay, we're having fun with our butter slime, but bye guys, see you later.